one way or another, we are all tied to Amazon, Google, or Microsoft, or GitHub, or whatever, okay, that are investing in some of our technologies and providing funds in various ways, okay? I'm not saying it's a direct thing, okay? But they have their own cloud products, okay? And they are pushing this down, okay? Now, the surge of serverless and a lot of other pay by millisecond thing, okay, pay by consume, okay, has made absolutely damaging for those companies to invest even one dime in performance, okay?
Oh, fascinating. Oh my God, I've never heard this take. I mean, duh, it makes sense.
The incentives
Yeah,
are clear.
it's like, we don't need your stuff to be slow. We don't need it to be fast. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we are paying us for compute.
You pay for more resources, okay? Look, even I have even a hotter take than that.
Oh, please.
Okay.
Oh my God, this is all the hot takes.
We are going, so AWS has gone so good length in trying to frame the narrative that to get more of your money, because Node.js is asynchronous, can run multiple requests at the same time with great speed, right?
Right.
So
despite what people who write Ruby or Python might tell you.
Yeah. So again, Ruby and Python runs one request at a time, okay? And which is great. I love Ruby. I love Python. I'm just
Yeah. Nobody's poo-pooing on those communities, but there's just a lot of poo-pooing on Node, which I don't like.
Yeah,
so.
You can do the same thing with those languages, by the way. You can run event-based computation on Ruby and Python. It doesn't matter, okay? It's the same logic, okay? So you have languages that are capable of running multiple requests, a lot of them, actually, thousands, on the same process. Most of our apps literally take some data from a database and send it out, okay? So when one database query is running, I can definitely send another one down the line because I'm not, my CPU and memory are basically idling there, okay? Now, so Node.js made a huge splash because it was asynchronous and it was able to handle thousands of concurrent requests from a single tiny node process. Even a tiny Raspberry Pi can run hundreds of concurrent requests on most things, okay? Now, AWS convinced everybody that running more than one request at a time per process was wrong. And, they have you pay per second even when that CPU is idle. This is AWS Lambda. So if you use AWS Lambda, you're paying even if your CPU is literally doing nothing. And everybody is believing in this massive lie, essentially, that is a better model. It's better for them, okay? It's, you need to know the trade-offs. Lambdas are great at low volume because they scale to zero and start very fast in generic scheme of thing. Try running a lot of lambdas and then check your AWS bill. Okay, this is you're going to be hit pretty heavily down if you have a lot of Lambda calls, because, or even worse, that there is a massive amount of limit of how many Lambdas you can spawn on a single AWS account. I don't know if you know this, but
oh, I didn't know that. Oh wow, how many can you have simultaneously spun up?
I think by default is 256. So at maximum you can handle 256 concurrent requests on the default account. You need to raise it.
That's not great. Yeah.
And,
wow.
And if you run out, okay, then they start getting queued.
Wow.
And in the same time, you can, wait a second. I can spawn 10,000 lambdas. Okay. Wait a second. I can run 10,000 concurrent requests on a single machine on Fargate, and it's significantly better performant. But very interesting, they don't ship scale to zero on Fargate. Sorry, I'm just calling out the AWS bad market strategy to sabotage the industry, but that's to make more money, which is great for them.